Did Clannad perform for film or TV? Have you ever wondered how music can bridge the gap between cultures and storytelling? Clannad, a renowned Irish band, has made significant contributions to both film and television. Their unique sound, rooted in Irish folk music, has found its way into various productions over the years. In the early days of their career, Clannad was commissioned by the British Broadcasting Corporation to create the soundtrack for the wildlife documentary series titled Natural World, Atlantic Realm. This series focused on the beauty of the Atlantic Ocean and showcased the band's ability to evoke emotion through their music. The soundtrack was released as an album in 1989 and achieved notable chart success. Clannad's music also graced the animated film The Angel and the Soldier Boy, where band members Kieran and Paul Brennan wrote the music performed by the group. This collaboration showcased their versatility and ability to adapt their sound to different media formats. The band's reach extended beyond documentaries and animated films. Their song, Theme from Harry's Game, became widely recognized after being featured in the 1992 movie Patriot Games, starring Harrison Ford. This exposure helped introduce Clannad's Celtic tones to a broader audience. They continued to make their mark in the film industry with contributions to soundtracks for other notable films, such as The Last of the Mohicans and Message in a Bottle. These projects further solidified their presence in the world of film music and highlighted their ability to blend traditional Irish sounds with cinematic storytelling. Traveling in Ireland offers a unique opportunity to connect with Clannad's music and its cultural roots. The band hails from the Gaeltacht region of Donegal, an area rich in Irish language and traditions. Visiting places like Leo's Tavern in Gweedore, where Clannad began their journey, allows fans to appreciate their contributions to Irish music and its representation in film and television. Clannad's work in these media reflects how traditional Irish music can resonate with audiences worldwide, often evoking the beauty of Ireland through their haunting melodies and Celtic influences. Their performances for film and television have not only showcased their musical talent but have also played a role in sharing Irish culture with the world.